Hi, welcome to another demo on Agno Agentic Framework series. This is an interesting one where we'll see how we can add our own custom tools to our agent. This one is a team of agents, so that makes it more interesting. Hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sree from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI automation and no-code tools. We have created several make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. And the code is from Agno Cookbook itself. Agno Cookbook team with custom tools. After the initial imports, we have the decorated added. Here we have the decorated added to this function, which makes this a tool by default. All agents will use this tool within this application without having to explicitly define the tool per agent. And this tool is answer from known questions. The question to answer is the argument, and here we are giving some sample question and answer responses. What is the capital of France? And the answer. If the question is in the FAQ, it returns. Otherwise, it says, I don't know the answer. But this is a sample tool. You can change this tool to suit your needs. Idea is learning how to make use of such a custom tool. Here, we are defining the web agent. We are also adding the web search tool. But remember, our custom tool gets included in this agent call by default, since we have used the tools decorator. Here we are defining the team of agents and passing our web agent. And also, we are specifying the tool. For teams, we need to specify our custom tool. So let's see this in action. I have the run1.sh, which starts the Python environment. And this is the script which we saw. What is the capital of France? Capital of France is Paris. So it calls the tool. So this is a tiny demo. It shows how we can add a custom tool to our agent. Give your valuable comments and see you in another video like this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert no-code make.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.